Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to get an interior door cover or door panel off of a Chevy Cobalt. Pretty simple thing to do. It just involves a couple of little faceplates you have to pop off, but I'm going to walk you through that right now actually. So the faceplates that I'm talking about are inside of the door handle and then inside of this like little handle thing right here. There's two little things you have to pop off. You can just grab a small screwdriver, flat blade, and you're just going to push down on the little button and that will cause it to fall out. So that little button we're talking about is right there. And then as for this one also has a button and it's to the left side of it. Alright, so my button ended up having a little trouble. You can see right here on the right side of it, it actually has this little push-in mechanic. Mine ended up being a little bent, so I just kind of pried with a little bit of extra force to pull that out. So now that we have both of those out, we actually are revealing two screw holes in here and one in here. We're just going to take a drill and we're going to get those out. Awesome. So 3 screws out, we're going to save those for later. From there, we're just going to take a screwdriver or something that will not damage this. This one's a little worn, so I'm not really too worried about it. So we're just going to go under here and we're going to just pry up. And as you can see, it popped right out. We have our wires that are connected here, of course. We're just going to pull those off. Set the screwdriver down. 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, 3 different places we got to pull it off. Again, we're going to set that off to the side. We're going to tuck these back in here. So from there, I believe this just pops off as it's just a speaker cover. Yep. So this right here will just pop off. It doesn't have anything attached to it at the current moment. So that is just the cover for this right here. From here, it should be a series of clips all the way around. I'm just going to find a nice spot to just kind of pull on. As you heard that, pop. I'm going to go over here and do the same thing. Alright, so once you have all those clips popped out, it's all going to be loose except for up here. You have your door lock right here. That's holding it, as well as your seal up here by the window. So we're just going to lift up around for this. And by doing that, everything is now disconnected except for our door handle right here. This one is just a simple clip mechanic. It's right here on the inside of your door. It's right about here on it. So you just basically pull the little clip over and it actually just comes right out. So as for your actual clips, I'm going to set this down real quick over here, guys. As for your actual clips, on this one, there were 1, 2, sorry, I'm trying to see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 right there. door lock still intact. This one's still intact, and all your cables are right here. So now you can get access to anything and everything you can't need to under here. That concludes this video on how to take off your door panel or cover on the interior side of your Chevy Cobalt. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. If there's anything else you want to see, leave it in the comments below. And thank you for watching, guys.